Good morning, students. Now we are in our next lecture, that means next classes. And in earlier classes, we have already solved question number 1 to 5. And now we will solving 6 to 10 questions of practice exercise 2.4. Practice exercise 2.4. Okay, then we have to solve question number 6. I am not solving all these questions. Okay, I am making understand only. That means you have to solve all these questions. Okay, and if you have any problem, then you will ask at my mobile number. Question number 6. Tony and Moni got 250 each as pocket money. That means Tony got 250 rupees. Moni also got 250 rupees to spend at school canteen. That means for spending this money in her school canteen, Tony spent 158.85 and Moni saved 65.65 from his total allowance. That means firstly we have to find the total spent money by both. That means total spent and money saved. Who spent more and how much? That means Tony spent rupees 158.85. Okay, but it is not given that how much money is spent by Moni. So we firstly find out saved by Moni. Spent by Moni. And for finding spent by Moni, we have to 250 minus 65.65. Okay, this is her saving amount. Saving by Moni. This is her saving money, 65.65. And this is total money. Total money with Moni is equal to 250 rupees and saving by Moni 65.65. So spent amount by Moni is equal to, when you subtract 65.65 from 250, then you get her spent money. And this is spent money by Tony, and this will be a spent amount of money, and then you will get that who spent more and by how much. Okay, now question number 7. Yes, now we are in question number 7, and question number 7 says that overhead water tank 950.75 liters of the water in the morning. During the day, 650.15 liters of the water was consumed by the residents. In the evening, 750.35 liters of water was pumped up. How much water was in the tank the next morning? Okay, this is very easy question. 950.75 liters is added with 750.35 liters. So this is pumping liters, and after adding these, you subtract 650 minus 650.15 liters, and then you get your answer. That means This is total pumping liters, and this is pumped in the evening. So total pumping liters must be added, and after this using liters is subtracted, and then you get your answer. Okay. Question number 8. Question number 8. A triangular park needs to be fenced. Dimension. Suppose this is a triangular park ABC, and the dimension of this is 16.13 meter, 12.48 meter, 21.39 meter. That means these are the dimensions. That means this dimension is 16.13 meter, this dimension is 12.48 meter, this dimension is 21.39 meter. How much barbed wire will be required for fencing? Very easy question. For fencing, that means how much wire is required. That means from this to this area, from this to this, and from this to this. That means we need this plus this plus this. Okay, the length of wire is equal to the length of wire is equal to 16.13 meter plus 12.48 meters plus 21.39 meters. And when you add these all, then you get the required wire. Okay. Now we are in question number 9. So first of all, we wipe our board. Then I am solving question number 9 and 10. Question number 9. Now we are in question number 9. Solve the following. By how much should 32.67 be increased to get 60.1? That means when we subtract 60.1, 32.67, we get this answer. When we subtract 32.67 from 60.1, then we get our answer. Okay. Question number B. This was A, and now we are in question number B. By how much should 74.3 be decreased to get 26.87? Very easy question. 74.3, 26.87. That means 0 is used to change it into like decimal, and after this when you subtract 26.87 from 74.30, you get your answer. Okay. Now we are in question number 10, and this is the last question. Okay. A particular airline allowed 46.5 kg of the baggage to be checked in. Arvind carried 2 suitcases weighing 24.3 kg, 28.25 kg. How much extra baggage did Arvind carry? That means at airport, at airline, only 46.5 kg of baggage is allowed. Okay, but Arvind has 2 bags. One bag weight of 1 suitcase, weight of first suitcase, weight of first suitcase is equal to 24.3 kg. Now weight of second suitcase is equal to 28.25 kg. So firstly we have to find, that means how much weight of these both suitcase. For this we have to add these two. Now weight of these two suitcase is equal to 52.55 kg. That means 52.55 kg is the weight of these two suitcase. But at airport 46.5 kg is allowed only. So the question arises that how much extra baggage did Arvind carry? So extra baggage with Arvind is equal to 52.55 kg minus 46.50 kg. And when we subtract 46.50 from 52.55, then we get our answer. Okay, these all are solved. Practice exercise 2.4 has finished. So students, firstly you have to solve all these questions in your CW copy. Okay, thank you. We will meet in our next classes and we will solve practice exercise 2.5. Okay, thank you.